Hi, kindergarten and first graders. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying your music time, your PE time, your reading, your math, all of the things. I hope it's going great. Today we are going to be speaking the poem Engine, Engine number 9. Okay, and I have my drum to keep the beat. If you just want to pat your legs, that's fine. If you want to pat your table, that's fine. Whatever you can do. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine, engine number 9. Let's try a different tempo. I want you to tell me if I'm going to go faster this time or slower. Listen. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine, engine number 9. Was that faster or slower? It was faster. Let's try a different tempo. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine, engine number 9. Was that one faster or slower? It was slower. All right. I want you to try this after this video. I want you to try the poem on your own in whatever tempo you want to do. Right now, I have the rhythm written out for the words. Engine, engine number 9. Let's play the rhythm of the words. Engine, engine number 9. Guess what? All of the other lines and phrases for this poem are the same. So I'm going to erase these words. And we are going to play this rhythm. You can clap it, you can pat it, you can play it on your instrument 4 times. 4 veces. Bum, 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 bum. Here we go. Engine, engine number 9, going down Chicago line. See it sparkle, see it shine. Engine, engine number 9. Let's try thinking the words in our mind and patting, clapping, playing the rhythm of the words, not speaking the words. 1, 2, ready, go. Awesome job! Yay! Okay, I want you to try all of those things on your own with your own tempo. Remember, that means the speed of how you play it or how you speak it. So maybe you want to go a little bit slower, maybe you want to go faster, maybe you want to try both ways. Okay, I miss you so much and I hope you're having a good time.